Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is actually Tuesday, February 28th, but I want to circle back to some of the information from yesterday and talk just a little bit about pending home sales was greater than expected by a long shot, 8.1 versus 0.9%. So really good number for pending home sales. Now, a lot of people just discount this number, but they don't realize how much impact this has on the economy. So when people buy a home, the first thing they do when they drive up to the driveway after the previous people have moved, they're going to have people coming in to repaint, recarpet, maybe redo the kitchen. So there's a lot of stuff that happens immediately following the home sale. Maybe they're buying new appliances, furniture. Lots of money goes into moving into a new house. And that is usually locally based, especially if it's your repair work and or carpet or something like that, where the labor is local. So this is really a big stimulus to localized economy as well as the economy in general, because obviously, your local county probably does not build washing machines. So from a big perspective, it does stimulate the entire country as it helps Whirlpool and Maytag and big companies, but it also helps the local economy, and that's what's really important about pending home sales. I watch this. This is really a big number. Okay, looking at today's numbers, we had some 8:30 numbers. CAD GDP was a big miss. Not good, but maybe that'll slow interest rates down. So good news sometimes is bad news. Bad news is sometimes good news. As we've been saying all along, preliminary wholesale inventories rising slightly. Not a huge deal. 9 o'clock, we have the housing. This is the HPI, the housing month index. And then we have the composite S&P composite HPI year over year. That's going to be real estate related. Chicago PMI at 9:45 at 10 a.m. CB confidence, consumer confidence, and the Richmond Manufacturing Index. I always watch the Richmond Manufacturing Index more so than some of the others because it's the southern states and it will rebound faster than some of the other manufacturing indexes as a leading indicator. 2:30, we have a FOMC member Goolsbee speaking to continue to muck up the water as to what the Fed will do or won't do or might do. So keep that in mind. And then that is it for the day for news. Lots of news today. Look at the daily chart. You can see here that we had a bear flag pattern. Now we've had a bull flag pattern, but this bull flag pattern actually is a consolidation band that goes even further back. If we can break down through this continuation, this consolidation band, it could get really ugly. The bottom side of that is around 39.45. Get below that, we could definitely see these lows right here at 39.04. That's a possibility. On the upside, we get this big little band here, a zone of low volume around 40.47. That's going to be, in my opinion, that's going to be a large amount of resistance. And there's about a 10 point there from 45 to 55-ish. That would be my resistance band that I would see for the foreseeable couple of days. If we go down to the inventory, so what happened yesterday? So inventory yesterday at the close was 140 contracts, and we were up on the day. So barely correlated, and you can see that this is much flatter than this is. So, it is correlated, so can't really complain about it too much. Doesn't tell us much. Moving on. Looking at the intraday. So intraday, where is support and resistance? So we want to have 2 or 3 levels above, 2 or 3 levels below. So above, we have some confluence around 40.25 and around 40.09.50. Those are the 2 levels I'd be watching intraday on the top side. On the bottom side, you have some resistance, I should say, or support at 39.77 and some more right around the overnight low. 73, 39.73, 79.72, about a 1 point band there of support. Further down, 39.50 is a round number, but below it, 39.46.50 is an area of interest for support. Those are the intraday numbers. Stock Traders Almanac today is a bearish day, only a 28.6% chance the market will be up. This is one of the most bearish days that is forecasted in the Stock Traders Almanac for an individual day. Again, 28.6, pretty ugly number. With that being said, hope you guys have a great day. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow.